I pray to the divinity in you. How are you today?
Very good.
Sure? Any problem in the institute? How do you like the food? Yak. What do you know? Wonderful. Huh? Okay. Any problem? Rooms are clean? Otherwise, I would tell you to clean your own rooms. Okay. The subject matter for this morning's lecture should be interesting, provided you pay attention. One thing in your life, never forget, spell the word correctly, remember it many times a day, attention, attention, attention. Sometimes you can kill your lover for the sake of attention. Attention is such a great thing. That's a need of the hour, need of human life. You always want attention, but you don't train yourself with that. When you do something, you don't pay attention. If you really want to be successful, learn to practice one thing, and that is anything you do with full attention. Without attention, without training attention, focusing your mind towards your deed and actions, anything you do. If you are a musician, pay attention towards your notes. If you commit mistake once, well, second time it will be better, third time it will be better. Abhyasa, practice again and again and again. You can do wonders. No human being is better than other human beings.